Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can link Cash App to your PayPal account. So I'm gonna be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you'll have to log into your PayPal account using your login credential. That includes entering your email or phone number and then your password. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and on this page you have to scroll down right to the bottom, and then in the bottom right corner of your screen you'll be able to see link a card or bank. You need to tap on it. As you tap on it, next interface you'll have two different options. That is, you can either link a debit card or credit card. On the second step, link a bank account. On this page you need to select on link a bank account. Now once you do that, right on this page you need to select the bank account that you want to link. Since our video is based on linking a Cash App account, now right on top you need to search for Cash App, and as you type in Cash App you'll not be able to find it. So what you need to do is you have to tap on enter your bank details. Just click on this option, and after that you'll be asked to provide your routing number and then your account number. And once you're done adding all of these information, make sure to review all of the information and then tap on agree and link. Usually an error might occur, so what you need to do is you have to tap on contact us, and then the customer care will direct you to the process of linking your Cash App account to your PayPal. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.